In a quiet natural river, a huge emerald green freshwater fish with golden fins and a scar over its left eye silently watches the shore. A small fluffy light gray puppy with blue eyes and a red collar approaches the water, curious and unaware of the danger. Slowly, the massive fish rises closer, its shadow stretching beneath the puppy's paws. Suddenly, the fish lunges upward, splashing water as the puppy slips into the river. At that moment, a tall human wearing a sleek black suit, black gloves, and a dark diving mask appears at the river's edge. Seeing the danger, the person rushes into the water, swimming straight toward the struggling puppy. Just as the fish opens its mouth, the rescuer grabs the puppy and lifts it above the surface. The fish leaps beneath them, but the human holds the puppy tightly and reaches the riverbank. Safely on shore, the person stands protectively beside the puppy while the giant emerald green fish slowly disappears into the depths.
In a wild African river, danger hides beneath the surface. A dark green Nile crocodile with rough scales, a long scar across its right side, and bright yellow eyes watches closely. Nearby, an adult zebra with bold black and white stripes and a small tear in its left ear steps toward the river to drink. The massive crocodile silently approaches, creeping closer in the murky water. Suddenly, it explodes upward, jaws wide open, dragging the zebra into the river. The zebra struggles, kicking desperately, water splashing everywhere. But help is coming. A group of 3 humans in beige safari clothing and brown boots rushes toward the river with wooden sticks in their hands. They jump into the water, striking the waves, forcing the crocodile to release its grip. The zebra limps back to the riverbank, shaken but alive. Thanks to courage, 1 life is saved today.
In the heart of the African safari, survival is a daily battle. A large male African lion with a dark golden mane and a scar above his left eye stalks silently through the tall grass. Ahead of him, a strong black buffalo with wide curved horns and a white marking on its forehead searches for water. Step by step, the predator gets closer, his sharp white fangs ready to strike. Suddenly, the lion launches forward, claws sinking into the buffalo's back as dust fills the air. The buffalo struggles, kicking wildly, fighting for its life. But hope is not lost. A group of 3 humans wearing khaki safari clothes, brown hats, and holding long wooden sticks rush toward the scene. They charge at the lion, forcing him to release his grip. The buffalo limps away, shaken but alive. Another brave rescue in the wild.
In a quiet mountain meadow, a lone black fur gray wolf wanders through the tall grass, driven by hunger and instinct. Ahead, he spots a white fluffy sheep peacefully grazing, unaware of the danger approaching. The wolf crouches low, his yellow eyes locked onto his target. He circles closer, disappearing behind bushes. The sheep suddenly senses something is wrong and freezes. With a burst of speed, the wolf charges, a fierce predator versus prey moment unfolding in nature. But just as the wolf leaps, a group of local farmers arrives. They shout, waving sticks, running to save the helpless sheep. Startled, the wolf retreats, fading back into the wild. The sheep is shaken, but safe, rescued by human bravery. A powerful reminder that even in nature's harsh balance, compassion can change the outcome. On a quiet sunny pasture, a massive yellow-brown python moves silently through the tall grass, searching for its next prey. Just a few meters away, an unsuspecting white and brown cow grazes peacefully, unaware of the danger approaching. Suddenly, the huge python strikes, wrapping its powerful coils around the cow and dragging her to the ground. The cow struggles desperately, the grass flattening beneath them as the python tightens its grip. But hope appears. A group of people notices the attack and runs toward the cow, shouting for help. They grab sticks, ropes, and whatever they can find, fighting to pull the python away from the trapped animal. One rescuer pulls the tail while others lift the cow's head, working together with all their strength. Slowly, the python loosens its coils. The team manages to free the cow at the very last moment. Shaken but alive, the cow stands, while the massive python retreats into the grass. A life saved,